Hello everyone, I'm Shizi Liu, and in this video I'm going to talk about naming a whole number in words. So the first step to name a whole number in words is to start at the left and name the number in each period, followed by the period name without the s. The second step is to put commas in the number to separate the periods. The third step is to remember not to name the ones period. So these three steps are what you need to name a whole number in words. So now let's do an example. Let's name this huge number in words. So the first step says, start at the left and name the number in each period, followed by the period name without the s. So let's try to identify the period first. So this would be the ones period. This would be the thousands period. And this would be the millions period. And by the way, if you don't know what I mean by periods, you can check out my videos on place value systems with whole numbers, and you can find a link on the top right corner of the screen or in the descriptions. This would be the billions period. And this would be the trillions period. So according to step 1, we are to start at the left and name the number in each period. So the left of this huge number is this number right here, and the name of this number, we all know it's going to be 8. And we're going to follow that by the period name without the s. So the period name is trillions. Without the s, it's going to be trillion. So let's do trillion. Then let's move on to the second number. The second number is gonna be called 165. And we're gonna follow that by billion. And remember not to forget the hyphen between 60 and 5. Now let's move on to this period right here. So this period has the number 432. And it's million. And now let's move on to this period. This period is just 98 and 1000. Finally, it's the last period. The last period has the number 710. However, because it's the last period, we do not name the period according to step 3. So it's just gonna be 710. Now let's take a look at step 2. It says to put commas in the number to separate the periods. So let's just do it. So this is one period. We separate it like this, and this, and then like this, and here. And now we are done. So this huge number is named as 8,165,432,098,710. So now let's do one last example, but this time we're going to do it a lot faster, and we're going to ignore the steps right here. So let's name this number using words. So just like before, I'll start by naming the periods. So this will be the ones period. This would be the thousands period. This would be the millions period. This would be the billions period. And this will be the trillions period. And we'll start with this number, which is at the left of this whole number. So this number is 17. And the period is trillion without the S. And let's add the comma now. And this number is 864, and the period is billion without the S. And remember the hyphen here. Add the comma. This number will be 325, and the period is million. Add the comma now. And this number right here is 619. The period is 1000 without the S. And add the comma right here. And finally we have just 4, because we're not naming the ones period. 4. So that's it. So this number is called 17,864,325,619,004. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions. And like always, I'll see you in the next video.